I'm Davinia from Yorkshire Cottage, and this is Rocky, my puppy. What I want to do is create this into a more solid surface because I use my wheelie bins on this bit here. So what I've bought myself from Beagle is an easy hold stone mix kit, Rocky, which comes with obviously the stones as well as the actual glue that holds it together as well. And what I'm going to do is mix it 50-50 so I get a really nice mix of grey, white marble. Come here you, come here you. I'm just going to put the dog inside. Come on.
Before ordering, make sure that you firstly measure the area that you want to cover. Go on the website and decide what stone you want, and if you're unsure about anything, just call Vuber. On the website you can buy the Easy Hold Stone Mix really easily. It gives loads of advice about how to install it. They've got loads of different stone products that you can choose from, and it's just a click-through system and you can order it online, so it's super easy and quick to do.
So first things first, I'm going to prep the area. This has already got a membrane underneath to stop the weeds from growing through. So what I'm going to do is just put it straight on top of these loose stones that are already here.
I've got myself a spade, a trowel, I've transferred the stones into 2 containers, and I've also got a black rubber bucket that I can actually mix everything in.
So I'm ready to start mixing now. So I've done 5 parts each of this, so I've just got a little bit left to put in of that, and it's 1 part easy hold to 10 parts stone.
I decided to go for a grey white marble mix, and I love the clarity of it. It looks absolutely great in the sun.
I'm nearly halfway. It's already started to go hard at the top, which is great. It's so easy and simple, and now I'm on a roll, and I'm doing it really fast too. So I've got it all finished, managed to get it done in 1 day. I think if I did any larger an area than this, I'd definitely get someone to help me. But I think because this was narrow and it was on a flat ground or flat surface already, it made it a lot easier for me. And I really liked the fact that you could stop and start. So getting the opportunity to have a little rest in between. It is quite difficult, it is quite hard work. But I enjoyed it, and I think it looks great. So I'll definitely be doing more bits in my garden. Back here, please. Back here.